Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Realme C65. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. And now click open. Then click on this button to skip introduction and click not now, then click open permissions. Now select this application and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and now we can go back. Now we can go back again and click start. And as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.